In this video, let us understand what is TeamViewer, how to use it. So what is TeamViewer? TeamViewer is to access remote desktop or mobile phone. That means if you want to see the desktop screen of your friend or relative in a remote place, anywhere in the world, if you have internet connections, you can connect to them and then you can able to see the complete screen, and also you can able to control it. Even mobile phone you can control. That is the advantage of TeamViewer. So TeamViewer is a small software. It need to be installed in both the systems, which system you want to access and from where you want to access. In both the places need to be installed. Once it's installed, you can connect to the remote system and then you can able to view it, you can able to monitor, you can able to operate the desktop or remote desktop. How to install? I'll show you like how to install in this, and we'll look at the advantages. What are the advantages you getting from the TeamViewer? So now let's look at the advantages. So easy to install. So it's a small software you need to install. Even nowadays it comes with the USB stick. You can install to USB stick and connect to any system and you can able to operate it. Free for non-commercial use. One more advantage, because only if it's a business you need to pay and then you have to use the license edition. If it's free for non-commercial use, then individual student can use for the free. View remote desktop or mobile phone. So as we discussed already, you can able to see the remote desktop. That means if you have, want to see the your friend system somewhere in other city and you want to know what is happening there, or you want to control it, or you want to install some software, by sitting in this place you can able to connect to the your friend system and then you can able to control it. Even with the mobile phone also will do the same. Cross platform, so it works with Windows, Linux, Unix, different platforms. So therefore it's advantage. So for your system, your remote system is a different operating system, still it works. Not only controlling, you can able to view video, audio, you can able to communicate with the audio, you can also transfer the files, you can also transfer from your system to their system and you can install that files, or you can copy the files. All is possible via TeamViewer. Now let's see that how to install this and how to work with the TeamViewer. Fine. So now to install the TeamViewer, come to the browser, type TeamViewer, TeamViewer, or you can see that free download. So or you can just say download. So you can see that TeamViewer download for Windows. So if you want the different editions, you need to check out which for which operating system you want. Then you can right click here and then open a new tab. So here you can see that you can install for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome, Raspberry Pi, Android, iOS. So all this possible. So here is option to download TeamViewer. So click on this. So it's 28 MB. So after that you can say show in folder. Then right click here and then say open. Or here also you can say open. Okay. So on this you just click open. So here are the options. So default installation. So accept, yes. So you can choose this option. I want to use the free version for personal use. So therefore this for the personal use. Okay. So therefore other two are for commercial. So you want to trial, so you can go for this. And if you already have a subscription, that means you already have a key, then you can use the last one. So click finish. So now you can see that allow remote control. So this is the my system ID and this is password. If someone else has to access, we need to provide this ID and this password to access this. So if I want to access the your computer or the desktop computer, I need to type their ID here and I say connect. Once I say connect, it will ask for the password. I need to get the password of their system and then you have to type the password. And then you can able to see the complete desktop of the their system. So this is how we can use the TeamViewer and you can connect to the remote system and then we can work with that. So hope you understand, and there are a lot of features. In case you would like to connect to remote system, try this one. The alternative to TeamViewer is the AnyDesk. So the other software is AnyDesk. You can also try for AnyDesk. So here is the other one. So if possible, we'll make another video for this. So compared to this, Team will have more advantages. So that comparison may probably will do it in the next video. Thank you.